How to link a credit card to Rocket Money. Hey guys, in this video you would learn how you can link a credit card to Rocket Money. So how can you link a credit card to Rocket Money? It's not difficult. Just ensure you have the Rocket Money app installed on your mobile device, and then once you installed it, click on the app to launch it. And once the app is launched, you'll be brought to the page where you see your subscriptions, you'll see the checking option as well as credit card. So our focus is on the credit card, so just click on the plus icon. Now let's click on this plus icon. The page would load, and then you'll be redirected to another page where you would see different banks, different banks whose credit cards can be added to Rocket Money. So we have Chase, Capital, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, PayPal, etc. You just select the bank whose credit card you have already. Now once you click on the bank, for example, I selected PayPal in this video. Now once you click on the bank, the page will also load, and then you'll be redirected to another page where you can now continue the connection process. Currently on my end, there is no network connection. That's why this is being displayed. But for you, you would see other options, and asking you to connect if you want to, or if not, you can exit. Select the connection option, and then you'll be asked to input your card details. If you it, click OK, and then your credit card will be linked and connected to your Rocket Money application, just like that. It is very, very simple. Ensure you try it out now. Thanks for watching.